Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul. Let's get started. We did purchase some household items. I'm just going to flash a picture up on screen. Dog treats, aluminum foil, tissues, and I repurchased the People's Choice Women's Daily with Iron. These are a multivitamin with iron. You get 30 tablets in here and they're still $1.25. I think it's still a pretty good deal, and I really like those. I have some repeat purchases. This Dollar Tree trip was totally worth it. I found so many awesome finds that I was looking for as well. So wish list items, repeat purchases were there. So I'm very happy with this Dollar Tree trip because it's been a bit disappointing the past couple months going because I couldn't find anything. But they finally had the LaColors nail treatment, the Mega Grow nail protector. I love this stuff. I've done a full video review on this, so I will link that in the cards. It works. It's amazing. If you have problematic nails or slow growing nails, highly recommend trying this out. It works. So they finally had this. I bought that. I also picked up another of the Diamond Cosmetics Super Dry, Quick Dry Top Coat. It says it's new and improved. It's probably the same. It looks the same. But this stuff is also amazing. It's a very thick, plumping top coat. I'm wearing it now. Very glossy and dries super quickly. Highly recommend this as well. And it does not smudge nail art stamping. So that's a must. More nail polish finds. I did find the Sally Hansen nail polishes. However, I only picked up one. They had the Reese's collection there. Two of them, this one and a green one. I'm always looking for a nice sunshine yellow polish, and this literally looks like the yellow nail polish that I already love so much from them. I like their cute little baggies. But these retail for about $8 each at your local Walgreens and Walmart. So to find this for $1.25, you cannot beat that deal. This is called Reese's Wrap. Very pretty yellow. And they also had a new display of LaColors with the little nail files. Totally worth $1.25. These would make great stocking stuffers for a nail polish lover. This is called Frosted Flowers, and it has Mylar flakies in there, and you can see they shift all different kind of colors. They're iridescent. They're going to look different in the sunlight. They're going to look different in the shade. All the different lightings, they're going to look different. These are absolutely stunning, and I thought this would be really pretty for, and there is flowers in there as well. For like snow globe nail art, stuff like that. This is so pretty. And then the last polish that I grabbed was from Candy Moyo. I love these Candy Moyo polishes. And they also had those Color Vibe foil polishes, but they didn't have the whole collection. They just had the two pink shades. So I didn't pick up any of those. I was disappointed because I would have liked to have had like the green one, but it wasn't there. But this one is number 988. And it's a metallic teal shade. It's so pretty. Absolutely stunning. There's a quick little swatch of that. It's a really beautiful shade. So I'm glad that I found that one. Another fun find was this makeup brush cleaner bowl. I have been wanting one of these. I almost ordered one on Shein, but I held out, and then the next day went to the Dollar Tree and found this one. I like that it's in this mauvey purple, or this dusty purple shade, I should say. It's collapsible, as you can tell, and it has all the different textures to wash your brushes and your sponges. Because the one that I was using for several years now from Shop Missy is starting to fall apart. So it held up well for $1.88, but for $1.25, that was a really awesome find at Dollar Tree yesterday. Finally found some of the really nice bath and body or spa-like items that they have. And I was really excited for some of these finds. So the Spa Luxury limited edition hand creams. Then these are in pistachio and caramel, and orchid and sandalwood. So Brazilian soap and Brazilian orchid. 1.4 fluid ounces, $1.25 for 2 of these. Perfect for purses, perfect for just sitting next to your or on your desk and using. Their hand creams are pretty nice. They're not as thick usually as other brands, but they perform nicely and they work for what they're supposed to do, and I'll continue to repurchase the hand creams. So I was really excited to find these, and it's very bright, fun packaging, and I think these would also make really great stocking stuffers or for a gift bag. I also was hoping to find the Spa Luxury body scrubs, and I found the vanilla sugar scent. They had these in a bunch of different scents. This is 8 ounces, but I did pick the vanilla sugar one. That's the one that I wanted. Very cute packaging. Once again, this would be perfect for gift giving. This stuff is pretty good quality too. Look at that. You can tell where they like poured it in. You can tell that it's got this whipped kind of texture to it. It smells amazing, and you can tell it's not going to be a super abrasive scrub, but just a nice one, just enough to get the dead skin off, but not give you any kind of damage or irritation. It smells amazing. Like I said, they had these in so many different scents. So this was a very amazing find. I love that. And then also, I was really hoping to find the Vanilla Bean lotion, but instead I picked up this one. This is also from Spa Luxury. This is their limited edition, 5.5 ounces body lotions. And I picked the scent Pumpkin Chai Latte. I did get to smell the Vanilla Bean. It was very light scented, and I packed that one around. I ended up going back and smelling the others, putting the vanilla one back and smelling this one and picking this one up. Ultimately, if you love pumpkin scents, you'll love this. It smells really nice, and you can tell it is thicker than most of the lotions that Dollar Tree sells. Has that nice gold flip top there. Very, very nice. Like, I would not scoff at all if I got this in a gift, you know, a gift basket, bag, whatever. Like, these are some really nice gift options for a very affordable price. Last but not least, I did find some new makeup items. I'm excited to try these out, and there will be a full face of Dollar Tree makeup coming soon, so stay tuned. I found the LaColors brow products. Not all of them, but this is one I definitely wanted to try. This is the LaColors Skinny Brow Pencil, and it's in light brown. I'm hoping this isn't too warm for my brows, because it looked like the dark one was going to be just too much. And it's supposed to create hair-like strokes. We're going to see. Precise and defined brows. We will see. Yeah, just excited to try new eyebrow products. I love trying eyebrow products. I also recently done away with a lot of the Dollar Tree mascaras in my collection, so I was looking for a new one to try out and use for Dollar Tree videos. LaColors had a bunch of new mascaras at the store, and this one is the LaColors Turn the Volume Up mascara, and of course it's in black, and this is a volumizing mascara. I do like lengthening and volume, and I'm not like crazy about the plastic bristles, but at the end of the day, this one looked the most appealing to me to try out and test. I think it's going to be great. It's probably going to work fantastic. It said it has a volumizing brush. It shows you a before and after. I like this packaging. Also, I think that looks really nice and also would be really good for gift giving. And I also picked up an LaColors eyeshadow. So these are their new 4-color eyeshadows. They had all 4 different ones to choose from. I just chose the one that I would most likely wear. And this one is called Tailored. You can barely see that because of the packaging. But this is color coordinated eyeshadows. And I like this one because it has this matte vanilla highlight shade. You know, I like my highlight shades. And it has this shimmery taupe shade, a darker matte brown, and a shimmery teal. And I have a beautiful LaColors teal eyeliner that I think this is going to go perfect with. And I cannot wait to try these eyeshadows out. It's really pretty. They had like a pink and purple one of these. They had an all brown one. I can't remember what the other one looked like. And of course they had this one. Really pretty. Unfortunately, I couldn't find the pumpkin spice collection, but I found some other really amazing makeup finds. So that is everything that I got at the Dollar Tree. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more Dollar Tree videos. If you would like to see a review on any of these items, definitely leave a comment below letting me know. I would be happy to do a review. I thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional Dollar Tree links.